If your mouth corners are turned down and you don't like them because it makes you look sad and more tired than you actually feel, this tutorial is for you. I'm going to teach you 3 techniques to naturally lift and relax this area. If you're new here, my name is Priscilla. I'm a licensed esthetician specialized in facial massage and also a former massage therapist from France. I've spent 15 years working with faces all around the world in places including London, the south of France, San Francisco, and Los Angeles. So what I teach comes from my professional trainings, hands-on experience, and years of being passionate about understanding how the face works. And my goal is to help you reshape the way your face is aging from a place of self-love so you can feel confident in the way you're aging. So when trying to lift the mouth corners, one common instinct is to just massage this area. And I like to work on a much deeper level to really bring deeper changes. So in our practice today, we're going to release the tension on our platysma muscles because those muscles, they are directly attached to the lower face. When they are tensed, they pull the lower face down and the mouth corners down. So until you release the tension here, you won't be able to lift the corners of your mouth up. Then we'll relax the tension on our depressor angularis, the triangle muscles that directly pull our mouth corners down with buccal massage. And lastly, I will teach you a beginner-friendly cheek exercise to strengthen your zygomaticus muscles, the muscles of the cheeks that lift your cheeks up, but also are involved in lifting the mouth corners upwards. And then the depressor pull them down. So we need to release the tension here and strengthen the muscles that lift up. That way we're targeting the 3 key areas that are pulling your mouth corners down and get a better lift. We're gonna start with our neck stretch. Just like I do in my release and lift method program, I'm gonna teach you first so you can see how it looks like and then we'll do it together, okay? So you're going to take your hands, place them at the base of your neck and press firmly. Keep your back straight. Then you're going to take the tip of your tongue and place it at the roof of your mouth. Just like that. Your mouth closed and you're going to lift the corners of your mouth upwards like this. Slightly. You don't have to like overdo it. Then from this position, you're going to tilt your head upwards and we're going to stretch the neck side to side, just like that. So let me show you. Okay, so really important to keep breathing while you're doing the stretch. Do not hold your breath and you should feel a beautiful stretch here. Don't overstretch it. You should feel a nice release, but don't go over what feels good. If it feels like it's super tense, just release a little bit of the stretch, okay? And we're gonna do that 5 times on each side. All right, so let's get into the position. Hands at the base of your neck, press firmly, keep your back straight, your tongue at on your palate, mouth corners up. And then start moving side to side. Keep your back straight, keep breathing, and keep the rest of your face completely relaxed. Move side to side at your own pace, no need to rush it. One more on each side. Slowly release and you can come out of the pose. Notice how your neck feels longer and more lifted. And now we're going to release the tension around our mouth corners with buccal massage. So make sure to have your mouth and your hands clean, and you're gonna need a little bit of glide for this massage, so go ahead and apply your products. I always pair my facial oil with a hydrating mist. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that on my skin, and then just a couple drops of oil is enough. You can always add more. The reason I like to use my hydrating spray paired with my facial oil is because it gives me a better hydration, and it also helps my oil to spread more evenly without having to apply too much of the oil. So highly recommend. And the products that I use are Apotera products, Rose Water Mist, and the Rose Nourishing Oil, and I will link the products below if you're interested. So we are now ready for the massage. Our skin is prepped, we have clean hands and a clean mouth. As always, I'm gonna teach you first and then we'll do it together, okay? So you're gonna have your thumb inside your mouth, just here. We're gonna start here, and the other fingers are on the outside. And you're going to massage your muscles between those fingers, between the thumb that is inside and the fingers that are on the outside, okay? Just like that. And I want you to keep this hand on the outside to keep the skin taut. So you're not dragging the skin around and you're keeping everything nice and stretched. So you're targeting the muscles, okay? So we're going to do 10 times upwards, just like that, okay? And then we're going to do 10 times from here. Like a slight circular motion, and this is going to help to release the tension on the modulus because there are several muscles of the cheeks that are attached to this area, and when it's tight it pulls the surrounding muscles and tissues. So releasing the tension here is really important to keep the mouth corners upwards. So just like that. You're going to keep your thumb inside and massage with the fingers on the outside, okay? So when it goes up, the thumb also moves upwards and glide, but for this one, okay, and either with just the index finger or all the fingers, whatever feels the easiest. All right, let's get started. So 10 times going upwards and then 10 times with this half circle on the corner here. Now let's do the circles here. And release, and we're gonna go on the other side. So let's put your thumb inside. And now right here. And release. And notice how this area feels more relaxed and maybe even feels more lifted already. Buccal massage is such an amazing way to release deep tension around your mouth, on your cheeks and on your jaw. And so if you want to learn all my techniques, we have a buccal massage session that is 12 minutes long inside my Release and Lift Method program. Releasing tension in all this area is such an important part of lifting your face naturally. All right, and for our third and last technique, we're gonna do the cheek lifting exercise. So again, I'm gonna show you first. So what you're gonna do is you're going to tuck your lips together, and then you're going to lift the corners of your mouth upwards like you're trying to smile, but with your lips tucked together. Okay, keep your back straight and your head slightly tilted upward to leave the space open on your neck. So I don't want you to be like that. Okay, so back straight, and head upwards. Then you're gonna take your fingers, place them on your temples. If you have a little bit of oil, you may want to wipe it so it's not gliding, it's not sliding. And then you're going to slightly lift upwards with your fingers like that. So here's the position. All right, as simple as that. All I want you to focus on is lifting your cheeks upwards, so from the mouth corners upwards, keeping your back straight, keeping breathing, and keeping all the other muscles relaxed. So make sure that you're not clenching, yet you're not frowning, and if you do so, then come out of the pose and hold the pose for a little less. It's really important that when we're doing strengthening exercises, we're not causing tension on other muscles of the face. I will never stress this enough. It's super important. Face yoga should not create tension, it should relax and tone the muscles. Now we're gonna do the exercise together. We're going to hold the pose for 30 seconds and do this 3 times. It may feel easy at first, but you'll notice that after the second or third set, you'll feel the workout. All right, so let's get started. Let's get into the position. Lips tucked in, lift up, position yourself with your neck, your back straight, and your hands on the temples. And let's hold for 30 seconds. Let's go. Keep your shoulders, your neck, your forehead relaxed. Keep breathing and keep activating those cheeks upwards. You are doing an amazing job. You're halfway through. Slowly come out of the pose, take a deep breath in. And let's get right into the second set. Press your lips together, smile to lift the corners of your mouth up, and place your fingers on your temples and lift. Hold the pose, keep your head slightly tilted upwards, and keep breathing. You're halfway through, keep holding. Come out of the pose, deep breath in, through your belly, long exhale out. And last and third set, press your lips together, lift the corners of your mouth, lift your temples and hold. Check in with your shoulders, your neck, your forehead, are they relaxed? And keep activating your cheeks. Keep holding, you're almost there, you're doing an amazing job. Release, deep breath in and out. Are you noticing any shift in the way your face feels? Do you feel your cheeks more lifted and the mouth corners more up? If you enjoyed this tutorial, can I please ask you to give this video a thumb up and let me know in the comments how this session made you feel. This will help me understand if you like this type of video and understand what you like so I can shape this channel according to what you need and want. I will also link my Release and Lift Method program in the description below. It's a 7-day program with a 12-minute daily practice, and you have lifetime access to it. This will give you the exact roadmap step by step to lift your entire face. Each routine focuses on a different area. So by the end of the program, you have a really thorough, complete approach to a full face facial care. It gives you a really structured step-by-step roadmap from day 1 to day 7. And it's a program that you can repeat over and over for better results. I hope this session helped you feel more lifted and also understand your face better. And remember, you're worthy of your own love and care at every age. This is an act of self-love, so great job for showing up for yourself.